guys. Hey. How are we? How is everybody? So, you've had a busy day. You've had Sean. His live has gone up. You've had Kelsey. Her live's gone up. And now you've got me. So that's 3 workouts you had on top of the normal Sweatflix workouts that are available, on top of any other challenge that you've had. You've got 3 extra workouts just to take part in if you want to. That sounds awesome. That sounds like you're getting 3 personal training sessions, absolutely free. Sean's workout today was 30 minutes. That's really good. It's pretty cool, isn't it? When you think about it like that, that's 3 workouts. Hi everyone, hi Erin, hi. So, hi Ben. I've got my little room, it's all here. Today, we're doing something very different. Hi Nicole. We're doing something very different. For those of you that have taken part in my Hit Max and taken part in my real-time challenge, you will know what a couplet workout is. So we're going to do a couplet workout together. So I thought that might be a bit of a change because we've done strength this week. We've done jumping over the box. So we've done a lot of movement. We've done a lot of like almost full body moves. But I thought doing a couplet would make it a bit more interesting. Yeah? Fancy it? I fancy it as well. So that's what I thought we would do. So you're going to need your vest. So my vest is here. So again, this is our £6 vest. Now, those of you that have noticed, I wear my vest upside down. Any girls out there, you will probably find that wearing your vest upside down is a lot more comfortable for you because it doesn't jump around. Sean wears his the other way, so the clasp comes here. I'll wear mine upside down so it tucks my boobs in. Just like that. So it gives, so there. So that's why I wear mine upside down. I've noticed that some people will comment. So, are you ready? So we don't do real time with this, we do this together. So there are 2 exercises, and then we do those 2 twice through, and then we move on to the next 2 exercises, then we do those 2 twice through, then we move on, and those 2 twice through. Get it? That's what we're going to do together. So, Williams is here, that's good, Mary's here, everyone's ready. So, are we ready? I've been waiting for an hour to come and train with you. I'm super excited, but I've also done that thing where I've drank way too much water. So, £6 vest. If you still haven't got one of these, I wore mine. Kelsey wears hers. Every day we're wearing these because we're pushing ourselves harder. You should be doing the same thing too. So if you want one of these, just click the link above my head. And not only are you going to get one, we're going to give you another vest for a friend. So then you and a friend can motivate each other to get into the best shape of your life. So you, your friend and me can all train together. That would be awesome. So, are we ready? I've given you a bit of time. Vicky says let's do this. I think Vicky is on the money. Yeah? Grace is here. Hi Grace. Let's do it then. So you're going to need your vest, and you're going to need 2 weights. So my weights again today is 7.5 kilograms. Now, that doesn't mean that 7.5 kilograms is as heavy as I would normally go. On some of these exercises, I would push up to 10k, maybe 12.5k, but the problem is, I'm in a gym. And everybody in the gym would be very annoyed if I'd brought all of the weights. So I've gone with a light, moderate weight. But so that means if you can go heavier, go heavier. Don't just stay at one weight because you think it's a moderate weight. Go as hard as you can. The only way you're going to see results is if you push yourself super outside your comfort zone. Because I'm not pushing myself to my absolute max, doesn't mean that you don't. Because I would normally have about 3 sets of weights around me, if I'm honest, just in case. Then you can always drop down. But I can't do that because the whole gym will just like, they're like, no, definitely not, Liz, you're not doing that. I don't care what video you're doing, you're not doing it. So, we're starting with 2 exercises. This is your first exercise. You're going to do a switch lunge with an oblique chop. So, you're going to take the weight above your head, you're going to do a switch lunge, and then we're going to chop down to the side, then we're going to switch lunge, then we're going to chop down to the side. If you can't do the switch lunge, you are going to take that out and you're just going to step. Do you see that? Yeah. Then we're going into swings. So the swings is where I would normally fill my sandbag with a ton of weight and I would drag that in. So make sure that you are getting a massive weight involved in your swings. Drive through with your hips, drive through with your abs. Okay, I might actually hold both of my weights on the swings. And up here for thinking, downstairs for dancing. So, are we ready? You and me. They're our first 2 exercises, then I'm going to explain the next 2 exercises. You only have 10 seconds in between, so get yourself ready. Talking is over. Water, timer, you, me, couplet workout. Ready? I can hear you ready. So that's 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, get ready, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. So we switch lunge, we twist. We switch lunge and twist. Down. So don't worry about speed, worry about control. Down. Down. Come on, push. Down. Now if you've done Sean's workout, his was a full body weighted workout. So it's not, these are going to complement each other really nicely. If you add the 2 together. Down. It's Thursday, we're on. 10 seconds. Switch lunge with all this weight is no joke. 6, 5, 3, 2, last one, swings. Oh, I'm going to go with both of them because I can. 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. Come on. Drive. You have to drive through. Use your hips. Big muscles. 30. Push. So at 7.5. So that would be a normal weight for me. In each hand, kilograms. So now I am going to our max. Time. If you have to do single, but we start again. Same 2. Let's go. Thought you got cut off then, but we're back. Lift. Lift. Come back a little bit so you can see me. 30. Breathe. Don't worry if you can't add the jump. Just step. My legs are tired too today. 10. 4. Swings. Let's do it. Yes, ma'am. Let's do this. Let's go. Come on, push. Drive forward. You should be doing this with me. Whatever you're using, drive. Breathe. Pull your abs in. 25, halfway. 20. 13. 10. Push. 6. 3. 2. Last one. Next 2. Half burpee, clean and press. Squat jumps. You've got it with a weight. So half burpee, clean and press. Half burpee. Come in. Clean it. Press it. Do it again. your back flat, head up. So these two, back to back. 20, push. Come on, push. Make sure your back's flat when you lift those weights. 8, 4, 3, 2, last one. Add the weight if you wish. I'm gonna add it, so you're gonna come down, jump. Got it? Down. Breathe. Down. 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 Push. With your vest on and the extra weight, this is gonna kill you. Down. Just stay with the squat like this if the jump is too much for you, but try to add the extra weight if you can. 10 seconds, push. Legs are down. 5, 4, 3, 2. Half burpee, clean and press, ready? Yes, Lisa, I'm ready. Grab your breath. It's meant to be tough. It's meant to push you. Come on, get down. Half burpee. Keep in. The heart rate up. The heart rate elevator. Working full body. Go. Come on, people. Last time we have to do this, 23. Push. Come on, go. 10. 4, 3, 2. Next one. Those jumps again. Remember, you can always take the weight away, but try not to. Just stay with it. Push yourself. This time, I'm gonna do it the opposite way. So I'm gonna go out on the wide, in on the up. Down, down, down. Come on, push. Yes, sir. All over it. Anyone else's legs dying? My legs are dying. 15. 7. 4, 3. Next two. Plank, shoulder touch, toe touch, goblet squat and press. It's not going to get easier, so get your mind right. So I'm going to use my weight. Can you see me? I'm going to balance on my weight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Toe touches for 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Balancing on my weights. Can you see me yet? 8, 9, 10. Shoulders. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'll move them over next time so you can see me. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. If you're balancing on your weights like me, if you're not, you should go faster. Goblet squat and press. I'm going to move them over in a minute. So grab it. Let's go. I'm going to move this over so I can see it. So goblet squat all the way down. Press. Big. Inner thighs. Outer thighs. Push. Down. Down. Come on. Get your feet wide. You see me? Feet nice and wide. Get down, come up, sit back, head high, abs in. 23. Come on. Yes, sir. 13. 8. 4. 3. 2. Back to the balance. So if I move these back a little bit, you're probably going to be able to see me a bit better. I'll be a headless person. Ready? Muscle a headless person? No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Use your couches. Use your balls. Use your challenges. Use your balance trainers. 9, 10. It's all about the abs. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Challenge yourself. Elevate yourself. 5, 6, 7. Nearly. Now 2. Last one. Last one got me like goblet squat and press. Let's go. No stopping. Let's go. Goblet press. Sit back. Nice and tall. Your back is flat. I sometimes just make my elbows come to my knees so that I know I'm getting low. And I also make sure that my knees don't go over my toes. Drive up. Down. Come on, push. 24. Awesome job. If you've got your vest on, you'll be feeling this. Come on. Stay with me. I can see you. Go. Don't you quit now. You're in. I'm in. We're doing this together. 3, 2. Last one. See what your next 2 are. Your next 2. Clean and press. Squat and press. And then push-ups with an under knee. It's like rolls. Let's go. Clean. Press. Squat down. Press. Let's go. Full body strength. Abs in. Get down. Push up. Go. Now if you're going faster than me, that's absolutely fine. Go. Heels in the weight. 5 seconds. 3, 2. Last one. I don't know why it cuts out like that, but you made it, so don't worry. So push up with a knee under tuck. Got it? Can you see me? Almost. A couple of seconds behind you, but don't worry. Down. Down. Push. 30. Concentration now is getting good. I'm on concentration mode. Push. 10. You should be sweating like me right now. 7. 4. I'm just going to show you some realness. If you're not sweating off your chin, like me, and off your lips, and off your nose, you ain't got a vest on and you're not going on. Let's go. Clean and press, squat and press. Let's go. Massive full body move. Using every muscle in your body. 34. Breathe. Come on, push. heels in the way. Come on, go people. I'm right here with you. Stay strong, stay committed. When it gets tough, that's where the changes happen. That's when you've got to dig deep and you've got to keep pushing. 5, 2. If you need to go down onto your knees, just go down to your knees, but don't quit for me. Stay in it, okay? Don't quit. If you gotta go on your knees, just go onto your knees. There's no shame in that. Just go down like that, come up, and then knee tuck under like that. Okay? Push. 3. 30. I got sweat pouring off me. So it's going in my eyes and everywhere. 20 seconds. Anybody else? Oh, my shoulders, my arms, my chest. After this week. 10. Push. I'm pushing you, push. Time. 2 more rounds. Tuck abs. And then tuck abs. And then, oh gosh, shoulder press. So, let's go. Tuck abs. I want you to use your weights if you've got them. You're going to tuck in, out, in, and out of your weights. If you don't have weights, you can just stay with the tuck, or you can come down and tuck like this if you wish. But I want you to try to mix it up. Push. If you want to, you can mix it up by doing 2 and 2. Mix your legs up. Just stay in that C-sit. Push. 10. 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one. Let's go. So, we're going to do a bicep curl shoulder press. 2. So bicep curl, shoulder press, come down into a hammer curl. Bicep curl, shoulder press, come down into a hammer curl. Bicep curl, shoulder press, come down into a hammer curl. So weights go up, hold, turn, press. Come back down, turn, hammer curl. Go. Weights come up, turn, shoulder press. This is the arms. In, turn, use your arms, not your body. Don't use your body. I don't want to see this. I don't want to see this. Where people do that. Use your arms to lift them up. Lift, turn, arm strength. Oh, wow. Down. 3, 2. Last one. Weights on the floor again. Let's do it again. What are you saying? I'm going to make sure you can see me. 1, 2. Okay, let's go. So just mix it up. As long as you're in that C-sit position, can you take your hands off the floor? Can you take your hands off the floor? Can you do it? Try and take your hands off the floor. I find my right side is seriously difficult to do if I do that. 20, challenge yourself. This was one of the ones that probably looks really easy when you're watching me right now, but just give it a go. Put some pillows on the floor and just try taking your hands away. 10, 5, 3, 2. You ready? You ready? You ready for this? Last one. Let's go. Bicep curl, up, shoulder press. Come back down to your shoulders, turn it down. Hammer curl, bicep curl. If you need to split your stance, that'll help you lift it without using your body weight. I don't want to see this. I don't want to see this. I don't want that. Split your stance, control, up, turn. Use your arms, go down, up, turn, hammer curl, up, turn, up, down, come down, hammer curl. Yeah man, all over it. Down, hammer curl. You got 12 seconds of this awesomeness. Down. 2, last one, drop your weights. Drop your weights. So, it's 20 minutes, smashed. No, David, I won't be a girlfriend, but thanks for asking. So, what made that tough? The reason that was tough is because we were not only using big fat burning muscles, we were adding jumps. So with this one, with the jump, you're not only driving up your vest weight, you're driving up weight at the front, you're also trying to move your body to be a plyo and get it up there and get it moving. That's not easy. I'm just gonna lift you up here. That's not easy, it's not an easy task. So if you did that with me, awesome job. You can see this is real. This is as real as it gets. Every day I've been pushing with you. So we had a 30-minute workout, we're doing a strength workout, now we've done a couplet workout this week. So you've got 3 workouts to pick from today. You've got mine, Sean's and Kelsey's, or you can add them all together. Just head to the Body Rock Facebook page, they'll all be there. And then you've also got Sweatflix, which is where we keep all of our workouts, all of our challenges are right there. You can access any single one from yoga, strength, beginner, intermediate, advanced, it's all there. There are no excuses. You can get a space like me, put on your vest, get yourself a weight, get yourself your challenger bars, get whatever you can use, and you can get in the best shape of your life just by working out and pressing play. You just need to want to do it. Instead of just watching me, if you watch me every day, it's time to stop watching, it's time to join in. Take it down a level if this is too difficult for you and just do it at your level. But just do it. Honestly, you'll never regret it. You'll never regret just training every day and getting fit and healthy, and the endorphins that you feel are amazing. So if you want this vest, if you want to give it a go, remember, this is how easy it is to reduce the level. So now we're doing squats with a weight. It's too difficult for you, this is as easy as it is. You take it away and you go without. So that's what the vest allows you to do. And also, if you are getting the vest and you're finding some of the moves are just a bit too difficult, I would suggest that you use the vest in different ways as well. So get stronger by maybe doing sprints with it, maybe walking with it on a bit, maybe just getting used to the weight. Because when I first used my vest, I found that it was so, almost just like the extra weight was unbearable, like to almost push myself and the extra weight. So I used to put it on for like the first 20 seconds and take it off. Put it on, then take it off. And eventually you get to the point where you don't need to take it off anymore. You might need to lower your knees to the floor instead of be on your feet, but the vest stays on. So you're getting stronger without even realizing it. You're getting more advanced, you're pushing yourself harder. And with you adding more resistance, you're gonna see more lean muscle, you're gonna see stronger lean tissue, because it's going to help you build muscle, and that's why we want you to have it. So click the link above, get yourself one, and then give the other one to a friend and give them the gift of fitness and show them that you care about them by giving them a vest, pushing them on, and getting them in the best shape of their life, because giving the gift of fitness is probably one of the best gifts you can give anyone. Helping somebody feel better about themselves, helping somebody get in a better frame of mind, honestly, it will empower them and they'll never, ever, ever forget it. It'll be a gift that you will never be able to repay, because being in good shape and being able to run for a bus or just feeling nice in your clothes, it's the best gift you can give anyone. I trained somebody once for their wedding, and honestly, like watching them walk down the aisle was better than any gift I could have brought with my money. It's such a great gift. If somebody gave me a vest, I'd be like, oh my god, this is awesome. I'd kill them because I'd be dying. I'd be dying for the first time I used it. I'd be like, what have you done to me? But then I would appreciate it after that. Oh, sometimes I need to know when to stop. So, that's it. How was your couplet? Did you enjoy it? Are you going to do it? Have you done Sean's? Have you done Kelsey's? If not, head to the Facebook pages, make sure you like, share us, tag us, and we will like, share, and tag you right back, because we're a community and that's what we do. So high fives. Have a good day, everyone. Bye.